we are studying type of high level language, and second term is C and C++. C is the high level classical type of programming language that allow you to develop firmware and portable application. The C language was developed with a objective or writing system software. It is an ideal language for developing firmware system. That means C and C++. This language is used for developing the firmware type of system software. Compared to most previous language, C is easier to read, more flexible and more efficient at using memory. C++ and Visual C++ are the recent version of C language. Meant to say this version is very good for developing different type of software. Next, COBOL. COBOL means Common Business Oriented Language. It was initially created by the Short Range Community in 1959. It is used in financial, human resource and other business applications. The American National Standard Institute has made several revision of the COBOL language. That means COBOL language is used for developing those type of software which is used for commercial purpose. Next, Fortran. The first important algorithm language was Fortran, formula translation, designed in 1957 by the IBM team, led by the Johann Bakers. It was invented for scientific computation with real numbers and collected them organized as one or multi-dimensional array. Fortran was also designed to translate into efficient in machine level language. It was immediately successful and continued to evolve. Fortran is also a very good language. We are knowing this language is very easier to do different type of work. Now we will study translator. First we will try to understand what is a translator. My dear student, translator is used to translate our own voice in machine level language. When we speak anything in English or another language, the computer have a translator which convert our language in machine level language. After that, computer able to understand our language, and when computers understand our language, do according to our instruction, and after that he give me output, sorry, he give me output, and again it will be converted in our language. That after we get the result. That is the system. All program written in high level language is called the source code. To convert the source code into machine code, translator are needed. A translator take a program written in source language as input and convert it into a program. It largest language as output. It also deduct and report the error during translation. A translator work as an interface between a computer program and a computer. There are three type of translator in our computer system. First is assembler. Now we will study what is the work of assembler. Assembler is the translator which is used to translate the assembly language code into the machine language code. That means the assembly language code convert into machine level language code. Assembler check the instruction for correctness and generated diagnosis message. If there are mistake in the program, the translator program is called a object program. Interpreter. Interpreter is the translator that convert a high level programming language into a machine level language. It translates line by line. The interpreter take one line, translate and execute it, and then take another line. It will step the translator in case an error occurs. It take more time in execution. Translator convert line by line. That means we are speak anything and one line it will be convert. After that one line will convert. And if there is any error, then it will take the time to cure that. Next, compiler. Compiler convert a high level language into machine level language. It translate the complete program and then execute at a once time. What is different between interpreter and compiler? compiler convert whole program at a time and interpreter convert only a particular line. After that it will be convert, but compiler convert everything at a time. It generates the error report after the translation of the entire page. First it will be translate, after that it will be correct the error. A compiler is fast and time consuming as comparing in an interpreter. Once again I want to explain what is the use of translator in our computer. Think, suppose we are speaking anything regarding any subject or anything, then we will speak in English language or another language, then our language convert into machine level language by translator, then computer able to understand. After that we are able to get the result from that side. Mean to say, we cannot say directly to the machine anything. First whatever we say, it will be converted in machine level language. After that computer is able to understand. Thank you. And now next part, fourth generation language. Fourth generation language is grouping of programming language that attempting to get closer than third GLS to human language from the thinking. Fourth generation is user-friendly, portable and interpretable operating system and designed to reduce level of programming effort and cost. Fourth generation language have very high speed of executing and minimum effort from the user to obtain any information. Example of this language included Python, Ruby, SQL, MATLAB, etc. First, Python. Python is an open source high level programming language and makes solving a computer problem almost as easy as writing out your thought about the solution. The code can be written once a run on almost any computer without needing to change the program. Python is one of the easier language to learn or use and powerful execution language. It can be used to many kinds of software development. It offers strong support for integration with other language and tools. It comes with extensive standard libraries. Python is also a language, we can say it is the fourth generation language. It is also used to writing the different type of programming language. Next, fifth generation. That means now generation, whatever we are going on. Fifth generation language are the programming language that have visual tool to develop a program. A fifth generation computer language is based on the program solving using constraint given to the program rather than using a algorithm written by the programmer. Algorithm means whatever rule and regulation we should given to computer to follow it. Most constraint based and logic programming language and more some other than declaring language or fifth generation language. Example of the fifth generation language including Mercury, OP, ES5 and Fortran. And we are knowing fifth generation language is artificial intelligence are using. With the help of artificial intelligence, nowadays we have developed more technology nowadays, and this language is very useful nowadays. Nowadays computers and different type of things are using just like a human with the help of artificial intelligence. Now the first chapter is completed. Thank you.